cinnamon rolls. And then I'm on my way to Jersey because that's where we're staying. I'm here. And then I have to go back. That's cool. Hello. I'm at the apartment. I'm trying to be quiet because my sister is asleep. Even though it's already 11. These are huge. After this, I'm going to wash my face and change because I don't think I'm gonna come back here later. The main purpose of this trip to go to the Joe Hisaishi concert. Oh my goodness. I want to get a real meal, but my sister is sleeping. There's only one set of keys. It's fine. Heading to the museum. This is the reason I'm in New York. Wow. It's my dream. last day in New York. I went to Honey's Bakery and I got a cookie because I think it's good. For the first time today, let me make this clear. They said it in a more like joking tone. It's all a joke. I don't take it personally, but it surprised me more because I've just never heard it. I was told that I was screaming in the ear. The thing is, I've always been told that I'm too quiet and they can't hear me. So the fact that they told me that I was too loud, I don't know, that I was just like, what? I'm impressed with myself too. Like, I don't know how to project my voice. I don't know how I managed to do that, but I should do it more. This cookie is huge. I would show it, but it broke in half. This is not even half. Brave. Hi. Oh, the chocolate there is so good. I only stayed here for 2 days, not really counting tomorrow because I leave at 4 a.m. 3:30 a.m. My goodness, you want to see the... hold on. Oh my goodness, the view is so pretty. This is the closet, by the way. I am so tired. I feel like I felt so dehydrated, but I'm back and I've hydrated. I've gone to New York a few times and it wasn't my favorite, but I feel like this time I really liked it. I don't know. I don't know what I should label this as because I came here by myself and then I only stayed with Abigail and we went to the concert together, but the rest, we did our own thing. I will see you later or tomorrow morning. Hello. I just got my wisdom teeth out, so if you can see like the puffiness and the bruising, that's why. I'm recovering quite well, so it's good. But anyway, I wasn't sure if I should have posted this video or not. When I was looking back over the footage, I just didn't feel very satisfied with how it came out, but I'm gonna put it out anyway. Also, I was trying to make it longer, so I do feel like I overshared. Usually I remove those parts just because they're just not interesting to me, but I have no choice. Or else it would have been a 5-minute or 6-minute video, but it's okay. I'll see you later. Have a good week. Bye. Oh, hey. What's this? Ow. And I'll be gone tonight. Oh, golden hour, getting a nice lighting for you. I still have my sunglasses on. Ah! It's my last day here. I would show you the apartment, but I'm sharing with Abigail. It's actually, she leaves a lot of stuff around, and I cannot show it like that.